Member John E. Calaez.
Tingnan ko na cellphone natin. Mag-update ako sa Marinduque.
For the bouquet is Board Member Mercedes R. Rejano.
Justin ako.
For the trophies, League of President Honorable James Martilim.
And for the crown, we have Vice Governor Romulo A. Bacara Jr. and Mrs. Arlene G. Reyes. And for the cash, we have Board Member Mel and Cabo.
Again, to present the awards for sash is Bucara John E. Pelaez. For the bouquet is Board Member Mercedes Arejano. For the trophy is League of President Honorable James Martilim.
And for the crown, we have Vice Governor Romulo A. Bacara Jr. and Mrs. Arlene G. Reyes. And for the cash, we have Board Member Mel and Cabo. So eto na, we have the envelope now.
Okay, it is my honor to announce our Binibining Kultura Marinduque 20 is none other than, of course, with an average score of 79.37, she is candidate number. By the way, bukas po, closed ang mga kalsada, papasok ng bayan ng Buwak. So, agahan po ninyo ang pagpasok sa bayan ng Buwak bukas. Kasi bukas, isasarado po doon sa amin sa may Tampus, yung mga magagaling sa Bugpog, at yung mga galing po sa Gasan, hanggang dito lang po sa Bangpangalon. So, isang friendly reminder para bukas. So, balik na tayo. Okay. Okay.
Notepad natin.
Our Binibining Kultura Marinduque 2020 is none other than candidate number. Who's your back? Candidate number 4, Jonamy M. Cruzado from the municipality of Buena Vista.
Congratulations, candidate number 4.
Again, our Binibining Kultura Marinduque 2020 is none other than candidate number 4, Jonamy Cruzado from the municipality of Buena Vista. Palakpakan po natin ang ating Binibining Kultura Marinduque 2020. To hand over the sash is Board Member Adeline M. Angeles and PD Frederick C. Gumabo of the ILG. For the bouquet is Police Department Police Colonel Crescenciano A. Latricio, Marinduque Police Provincial Office. For the trophy is PCL President Honorable Jojo Leva and Board Member Teresa P. Caballes.
And for the crown, we have Provincial Administrator, Mr. Vincent Michael Q. Velasco and Mrs. Rosebud Velasco. For the cash, we have Board Member Gilbert L. Takiwa.
Again, to present the awards for the sash is Board Member Adeline M. Angeles and PD Frederick C. Gumabo from the ILG. For the bouquet is Police Colonel Crescenciano A. Latricio of the Marinduque Police Provincial Office. For the trophy is PCL President Honorable Jojo Leva and Board Member Teresa P. Caballes.
And for the crown, we have Honorable Provincial Administrator Vincent Michael Q. Velasco and Mrs. Rosebud Velasco. And for the cash, we have Board Member Gilbert L. Takiwa. So our Binibining Turismo Marinduque 2020 is none other than
Okay, our Binibining Turismo 2020. Binibining Turismo Marinduque 2020 again is candidate number 11, Angeline M. Legaño from the municipality of Gasan. May we invite on stage the ever beautiful mayor of Gasan to join the photo ops. Again, joining her on stage is her ever beautiful municipal mayor, Victoria A. Alvin.
Thank you very much and congratulations, candidate number 11. So we are down to our one last major award.
Yes, the most awaited title for this night. Parinig naman ang isang sigaw dyan. Sino kaya ang ating magiging Miss Marinduque Centennial Queen 2020?
Yes, sir. Oh, excited na tayo.
Okay, to award the Marinduque Centennial Queen 2020 is Mayor Armin D.C. Carion for the sash. For the bouquet is Madam Luz Leaño Mondoniero, the President of Marine Island Gaming Corporation. For the trophy is Mr. Eduardo Leaño Alino, the President of Subic Bay Freeport Rail Terminal.
And for the crown, we have Honorable Presbyter J. Velasco Jr. And for the cash, Mr. Vincent Michael Q. Velasco. Again, for the sash,
we have Mayor Armin D.C. Carion. For the bouquet is Madam Luz Leaño Mondoniero. For the trophy is Mr. Eduardo Leaño Alino.
For the crown is Honorable Governor Presbyter J. Velasco Jr. And for the cash,
With Mayor Dorn Q. Velasco, of course.
and for the cash, we have Mr. Vincent Michael Q. Velasco.
The most awaited title for this night.
Sino kaya ang ating Marinduque Centennial
Our Miss Marinduque Centennial Queen 2020 with an average score of 87 point. Of course, we also have street dancing tomorrow.
So we are requesting everyone to please join the activities for tomorrow.
Okay.
Ano na, sir? Sige na! We're all excited now!
Our Miss Marinduque Centennial Queen 2020 is none other than, because tonight I am seeing the colors of the Philippine flag. Contestant number 6, Angela Nicole and 11 from the municipality of Torrijos. ang inyong mga consolation prizes.
Alright, again, congratulations to our winners tonight. What truly a wonderful evening. Our heartfelt gratitude to the 12 lovely candidates. Indeed, you made this pageant a very spectacular event.
Okay, hindi mo magiging successful itong gabing ito kung wala ang mga sumusunod na personalidad. Honorable Presbytero J. Velasco Jr., our Provincial Governor, Chairman, Marinduque Centennial Committee.
Mr. Vincent Michael Quinto Velasco, Provincial Administrator, the Executive Director of Marinduque Centennial Committee.
To Mr. Jerry M. Hamilla, Provincial Tourism Officer, Chairman, Surfer Centennial Queen.
With these members, Mr. Kelly J. Obligacion, Mr. Celio J. Salvacion, Mr. Ian De Leon Soro, and Mr. Jobes M. Giles, together with our Director, Mr. Joseph C. Ogalinola.
Of course, again, congratulations to our winners tonight. Again, ladies, our Pinipini Kultura Maritim 2020 is candidate number 4 from the municipality of Buena Vista, Jonah May Cruzado.
Our Binibining Turismo Marinduque 2020 is candidate number 11 from the municipality of Buena.
And of course, our Marinduque Centennial Queen 2020 is Angela Nicole Ilagan from the municipality of congratulations to our winners. The beginning of... Okay, all candidates, group picture muna. Lahat ng kandidata para sa isang group picture.